going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, come on, Dior. Come on. So I'm driving down the highway. By the way, I'm in Leominster, Mass right now, waiting to get loaded. They're actually loading me right now. I haven't posted a video yet because I kind of been, sick a little bit. I'm just getting my voice back and stuff. But so far it's been a great week. Fucking great week. I started off on Sunday. And I'm already on my fourth load, and it's Wednesday, so I'm ahead of schedule. I like that. This load right here is going to Baltimore. It pays $2,000 for 3 stops, all in the Baltimore area, so not bad. Has to be dropped off by tomorrow. I have plenty of time. I'm an hour away from my house, so I'm gonna go home, chill for a little bit. And well, I don't have a house, but my town, so city. I'm gonna go home, chill for a little bit, run some errands, run the Freightliner. I gotta grab a couple parts, like always, and deliver the slow tomorrow morning. But the reason for this video is, so I'm driving down the road and shit, and I start to feel like my shifter get like loose a little bit, and this has happened before, so I know what's about to fucking happen. My shifter breaks in half. Look at that. Like, look at that. My shifter broke. So now that's what I gotta go to Freightliner and get a new shifter. I've already put in a new shifter. This is gonna be the second one, because the extension that I put in to make it higher, I screw it all the way on. It keeps on breaking the tip of the shifter, from shifting back and forth. It's just a stupid setup. I don't know why they made it like that, honestly, because eventually they're gonna break. Please let me know how you guys install yours, because there's no other way to install it. So how come mines keep on breaking? Everybody else's is shit. What I want to do is get a shifter that's already long, but they don't make those stock. Or I don't know if you do know anywhere I can get a stock long shifter that comes already long, where you don't need to put an extension on it. Please put it in the comments, help me out. But yeah, I'm gonna just put it in a stock shifter. I guess I gotta go back to stock height for now, which is gonna piss me off because I hate when it was that short. But I can't even get the other extension, use the old extension, even if I wanted to, because I put Loctite on the shifter. So the stem that broke off, I could never get that out. Even if I drilled it out, it wouldn't come out properly, and the threads would be messed up. So I just gotta get either a new extender, which I don't think I'm gonna get, because then I'm just gonna have to buy another shifter. I think they cost like $80. So yeah, I'm definitely not doing that. Or 160. Maybe I paid 160 for it. I'm not sure. It's either 80 or 160. One of those numbers. See, I'm still kind of phlegmy. But yeah, like, I just wanted a shifter lever that's already extended. But yeah, it sucked going down the highway, shifting with just a stick, no shift knob, no nothing. And then every time I gotta split the gears, I gotta reach over to the passenger seat where I put the shifter and switch it up. It's not that bad, but it's still inconvenient as a motherfucker. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am just gonna finish up getting loaded over here, And right now, while they're loading me, I'm greasing my fittings. Like, I'm gonna go around and get all the fittings. It's been like a month since I greased them, so it's time to get that done. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to let y'all know the bullshit of the week so far. And unfortunately, I think I'm gonna need a new transmission soon, which sucks because I'm hearing this whining noise every once in a while. It comes and goes, and I think it has something to do with transmission. I'm not sure because I do need a center bearing for the drive shaft, but I don't think this is what's making the noise. Like, my center bearing is fucked up, but I don't think it feels like it's coming straight from the transmission. So I don't know. I'm gonna have time to actually drop it off at the shop and have them look at it, because again, I don't know. I gotta get it diagnosed or whatever. But we'll see what happens. Hopefully, I don't need a new transmission, and it is just that center bearing, but I doubt it. Just my luck. It'll be a train. The transmissions cost a lot. I already called the dealership. They wanted like 4 Gs plus a $3,000 core. And I think that's for a new one, but obviously I'm not going to get a new one. Fuck all that shit. I don't need a new one. But hopefully it's not the transmission, but let me get back to greasing these fittings and doing this. I'll holler at you guys on the next one. Be safe. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Got my shifter at the dealership. Freightliner. East Providence. Just got my shifter, getting a couple more parts, and then we are out of here. Back on the road tonight. I'm gonna try to take a little nap, but back on the road tonight, headed to Baltimore, deliver these loads, get another one. You know, this goddamn shifter, man. This is the second one. I just want them to make one that automatically comes along, but we'll see. It's cute, right? Cute Christmas tree. All right.